many people confuse blood group and genotype, but they are not the same thing. Not definitely, they are not the same thing. Now, let me explain. First, what is this blood group? Your blood group is about the types of blood you have, and as we all know, like as I just like I said in my last class, there are four main type of blood group, which are B, and O. Now, each can be either positive or negative depending on something called the rh factor, which I also talk about in my last class. Now, that's why you hear things like A plus, O minus, or AB plus, something like this. Now, over to genotype. Your genotype is completely different from your blood group. This is why. Genotype is about the genes you inherit from your parents. And when we talk about genotype, especially here in Africa, we usually mean sickle cell, like most of the things that normally come to our head is sickle cell. But some of the blood group and compatibility type is AA is a normal blood group, AS is a carrier, while SS is sickle cell disease, and there are others that are not that rare, which are AC, SC, and CC, and they are not mostly heard of. So here is the difference in one line, just a brief explanation of the difference between this blood group and blood type. Your blood group matters in blood transfusion and donation, while your genotype matters in marriage and family planning, and also compatibility, because it decide if your kid could have the sickle cell disease or not. This genotype is what determines it. This is why both the genotype and the blood group are important, because knowing your blood group can save your life in terms of emergencies, and knowing your genotype can save your future children from having this sickle cell disease. That's why doctors recommend everyone to know their blood group and genotype before everything. So now my question is, do you know your blood group? Because blood group and genotype are definitely different, but both are very important. So do you know your blood group? If yes, drop it in the comment section. Let's find out how many people that actually know their blood group and genotype. And if you find this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow for more. See you in my next video. Bye.